Wondering which glue is right for luxury vinyl tile, luxury vinyl planks, and vinyl back sheet flooring? Now you can choose your solution with HENRY Adhesives. Choose High RH with HENRY 695. This high-performance, high-strength flooring adhesive is great for the installation of vinyl-backed flooring. It can be used either for a wet set or a pressure-sensitive installation. You can also choose Releasable with HENRY 650R, a premium pressure-sensitive adhesive with releasable or permanent bonding properties that firmly adheres to flooring, yet allows it to be easily removed at any time without damaging the subfloor. Finally, you can choose the Ultimate Wet Set with HENRY 422, an adhesive used for fast, permanent installations that build strength quickly for less slippage and earlier traffic. For complete information about these products, visit our website at www.wwhenry.com.